Okay, so as in the last video, we have discussed about the structure of the antibodies. Alright, so in today's video, we'll be discussing about the vaccine. Alright, what are vaccines? We'll be discussing about that. Vaccine. Alright, so what is vaccine? Vaccine prevent the living body from the microbial disease by developing immunity in the body. Alright, what it does? It develops immunity immunity in the body all right, it develops immunity in the body against what? Against microbial disease. So wait, let me write that as well with another color. Okay, against microbial disease. Alright, so here I have written vaccine develops the immunity in the body against microbial disease. Alright, so now let's see who developed this vaccine for the very first time. Alright, so the first vaccine was introduced by British physician Edward Jenner. As you can see here a picture, alright, photograph. He is Edward Jenner. Alright, the first vaccine was introduced by British. He was a British physician. Alright, so he is a British physician. British physician Edward Jenner. Alright, and in which year he introduced the vaccine? In 1796. So let me write that as well. In 19, not 19 but 1796. Alright, first vaccine was introduced by him. Wait, let me write that. First vaccine was introduced by him. Alright, he introduced the first vaccine and he is Edward Jenner. Alright, what he did, he used the cowpox virus. Wait, let me change the color. He used cowpox virus, alright, which is vaccinia, to protect from what? Wait, to protect or confer protection against smallpox. From smallpox. Alright, and it is a related virus in human. So I have written this. Alright, so he was the first one who introduced vaccine for the very first time in 1796, and he was a British physician. And what he did, he used cowpox virus, which is vaccinia, alright, to protect from the smallpox virus. Alright, now what is vaccine? Vaccine is a biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease. So here let me write that. with this color, I guess. It's fine. So, what is vaccine? Vaccine is a logical preparation that improves immunity. Wait, immunity to a particular disease. Alright, to a particular disease. So here I have written vaccine is a biological preparation that improves our immune system to a particular disease. Alright, a vaccine is typically contains an agent that resembles a disease causing microorganism. Alright, we'll be discussing about the preparation of vaccines as well. There are three methods basically. Like the first one, in which you can use live pathogen, so that can enter to the body and it triggers the immune system, so that B lymphocytes can differentiate it into plasma B cells and memory B cells, and plasma B cells start producing ultimately antibodies. Alright, second, we do have in which we can use dead pathogen, so that it can go to the human body, it triggers immune system and start producing antibodies. And the third one is we cannot use the full whole organism, but instead we can use disease causing agent or part. Alright, so that our B lymphocytes can be differentiated into plasma B cells and memory B cells, and plasma B cells can start producing antibodies then. Alright, so there are three methods. We'll be discussing about these methods in our next class, but in today's video we'll be just going with the general introduction of vaccines. Alright, and it is often made from weakened or killed form of the microbe. Alright, its toxins or one of its surface proteins. A vaccine can confer active immunity against a specific harmful agent by stimulating the immune system. Alright, as I initially told you. So now what examples we do have? Alright, what vaccines are prepared yet? Let's check that first. Okay, so as you can see here we have some vaccines, alright, which includes hepatitis B, it includes hepatitis A as well, alright. So we have these some examples, which includes hepatitis B, A, and rabies vaccine, which is used against the rhabdovirus, alright, and we have COVID-19 vaccine as well. So let me write this down here, alright. We have hepatitis A as well as B, alright, and B, and we have rabies vaccine, rabies vaccine, alright, and another we do have is, wait, let me write that, COVID-19 vaccines. There are a lot of vaccines. I have just taken three examples. COVID-19 vaccines. Alright, vaccines, as we know that, are used before the disease. Alright, so hepatitis is the disease of liver. So before that disease, hepatitis A and hepatitis B vaccine is given to the people. Alright, hepatitis is used for liver. Alright, it is a liver disease. Liver disease or disorder. Alright, then we have rabies vaccine, alright, which is used for the prevention of the rhabdovirus. And this is caused by the bite of the dog. Alright, when dogs bite, It is caused by the dog's bite. Then the third one we have is COVID-19, which includes Pfizer, and we have many more as well. Alright, so this was all about vaccines. Alright, in the next video we will be talking about the methods of the preparation of the vaccines, and this was all about vaccines.